Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you what I made with these beautiful 18-inch wood signs that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Interested? Then just keep watching. So the first thing I did was use my Gorilla Construction adhesive to attach 4 of my signs together. To help keep my signs together, I'm also going to use my heavy-duty electric stapler. I got the idea to use my electric stapler from Bargain Bethany. I saw her use her stapler in one of her wood projects. I was very skeptical that this would not really hold the wood, but this ended up working out perfectly. Here, I'm using my hammer to flatten the staples as much as possible. I continued using my adhesive and my stapler until all 4 of my signs were securely together. Next, I used soapy water to remove these stickers from the back of all of my signs. Next, I used a generous amount of my construction adhesive to attach all 4 of my pieces together. Once I ensured that my pieces were evenly placed, I then added corner braces to my project as well. Next, I took my piece out to a well-ventilated area and I gave the corners and edges of the design 2 coats of silver metallic spray paint. Next, I added 14 of these Dollar Tree mirrors to my design. Here, I'm using the construction adhesive to attach to mirrors, but eventually I ran out and used the Fix All adhesive from the Dollar Tree instead. I continued adding the mirrors along the inside and the outside of my design. As you can see, I'm using tape to hold up my mirrors until my glue has the opportunity to dry. Here I'm showing you that the corner brackets will not allow the mirrors to sit flush with the wood side. So I only added the adhesive to the top of the corner bracket and to the other side of the mirror to hold it in place. The following day, I removed my tape and then I began decorating my design with diamond wrap. When I was done adding my diamond wrap, I had something that looked like this. To complete the project, I touched up my paint, cleaned my mirrors with alcohol, removed the excess glue, and here's the finished look. I think that this mirrored stand turned out beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's project. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.